first thing you're gonna do is grab this little hook here. Pew, pew. Yeah, make sure you make sound effects when you do it. Pop those things out. Just kind of wiggle it, pull it forward, and just kind of rotate it up. And it feels a little stiff, but it comes right out. Yep. So we pull the headlight out, and then solid, man. Go ahead and zoom. Just bring the camera up here so they can see the connector right here. Put the phone down there so they can see it. Yeah. So we go to that connector right there. You just want to unplug that. To unplug it, you just push down the top right here. Give it a little tug. Whoop! There you go. So we got our headlight here. Just flip it around. Take off these T20s. We're going to go ahead and pop this bad boy out. Pull it back. Take off the connector. There's there, you just toss that in the trash. All right, so when you go to put your headlight in, you may not have enough room to put the headlight with its base into the headlight housing. So what you do is you take the base off of the actual headlight. You just push down like a medicine ball. Just push down, twist it, and it can go into a number of different positions, and then it will also go into the slide off position. All right, so you got the base off. It will only go in here one way. Go ahead and set it right in there. Now, right about this time, you're probably asking yourself, okay, how's it going to stay? You grab the right stuff. In this case, we'll use the high temp right stuff. This would be just fine. And for demonstration purposes, I'll show you what you do. Where it's going to sit down in the housing, you can just put a little bead right there, man. Once you place that base in there with the right stuff on it, go ahead and take some, put it on the outside where it's contacting. So remember, when you can't duck it, right stuff it. Oh, you guys caught me. I got a little hog wild with that right stuff. This is going to hold just fine. It's easy to cut out with a razor blade. And if anybody asks you, tell them it's supposed to look like that. Hey, real quick, if this video is helping you out, please like and subscribe. I used Alla, A-L-L-A, lighting for these bulbs. I didn't see a solution on Alla Lighting's website for how to secure the bulbs on the Volvo. And that's where, the right stuff comes in. So if it helps you out, please reach out to them. Say, hey, man, I watch Griffzilla Garage. This guy's great. Maybe they'll give me a sponsorship. The right stuff's awesome. I'm not messing with you guys. I'm telling you, it's going to hold. You won't regret it. It's easy to cut out and take off if you need to replace it in the future. I'm looking for support here on Griffzilla Garage. Help me find a sponsor. And know this, I won't Bud Light you. Okay, while the bright stuff is drying, go ahead and flip it up on its side and take out these 3 T20s to pull out the ballast. So pop this bad boy out. So when you insert the bulb into the base is going to want to move around some. That bright stuff hasn't hardened up yet, man. That's okay. You'll be able to keep it in place while you rotate the bulb. I purposely put the bulb in upside down just to prove that I could rotate it back around with the right stuff still hardening up. It works just fine. And during that time, you go ahead and you get your wires routed from the bulb down to the ballast. And while you're doing that, the bulb may move around some. That's okay. All right, so what I like to do is twist these 2 wires together. That way you can snake them through together. And when you get them through to the other side, you just untwist them and route them where they need to go. All right, guys, so you got 2 wires coming out here going to your ballast. And they're both gray. It doesn't matter if you put the blue one or the green one to either one. Just don't put them both to the same wire. All right, so these bulbs were not polarity sensitive. So you could put the blue wire or the green wire to either one of these gray wires. All right, so before you go it together, make sure you got this connector taped up. Make sure you got your headlight in here nice and solid and start getting ready to be like, oh, 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 oh. Come on. And check out those lights. It's lit up. We have no messages. Oh, 1 vehicle message. Oh, time for regular maintenance. Oh, 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 oh.